Oh, hi guys. So in today's small video, I'm just using the leftover beef that I'd used in my previous video. If you watched it, the lasagna recipe, I'm just urging you to just go and watch it if you did not, because trust me, maybe it can give you an inspo and you can taste the sweetness and the greatness and the flavors and everything that came with that dish. So for this one, I just boiled the meat, and then added boiled pasta, covered it up, and it simmered for some time, so it got together, it got to know each other. And then I spread some shredded cheese on top, and then put it in the oven for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I removed it, and I think I actually love this whole situationship of pasta, mincemeat, and cheese. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, please take this chance to subscribe, to share my links, to like this video and all the previous videos. You guys help me grow, okay? Thank you so much. I am hoping to see you very, very soon in my next recipe video. This is just to give someone an inspo, okay? So you guys have a great time. Bye.